Welcome students to part 1 video. Here we are going to see direct indirect speech. Very important grammar in English. We'll see what is direct indirect speech. What is direct speech? In direct speech, the speaker directly speaks to the listener and so the speaker's words are given in double quotes. Example, Ram said to Meena, I am happy. I am happy are the words of Ram. So it is given in double quotes. What is indirect speech? Here, in indirect speech, the speaker doesn't speak directly to the listener. Only the words of the speaker are conveyed to someone by somebody using connectives or joining words. Example, Ram told Meena that he was happy. Here the connective word is that. In order to change direct to indirect, we need to do three changes. First change is change of pronoun. Second is change of tense and third is change of words. Here in this slide we are going to see change of pronoun. If the subject I comes in direct speech, it should be changed to he or she according to the gender. If it is masculine, it is he. If it is feminine, it is she. If the subject my comes in direct speech, it should be changed to his or her according to the gender. If the object me comes, that is after the verb, then it should be changed to him or her. If the subject we comes in direct speech, it should be changed to they in indirect speech. If the subject are or if the object are comes in the direct speech, it should be changed to their in indirect speech. If the object comes as us, that is after the verb, it should be changed to them. If the subject you comes before the verb, then it should be changed to he, she, they in indirect speech. If you comes as an object that is after the verb, it should be changed to him, her or them in indirect speech. If the subject is your or if the object is your, it should be changed to his, her or their. We'll see the second important change, the change of tenses in this slide. Here, if the tense in direct speech is present tense, it should be changed to past tense in indirect speech. For example, am, is, or is given, it should be changed to was or were. If it is singular, it is was. If it is plural, it is were. Similarly, likes, like, simple present tense main verb should be changed to simple past tense verb liked. Do, does verb, it should be changed to did. Does plus like, likes. Do plus like, like. It is simple present tense verb. It should be changed to past tense verb liked. Similarly, if the tense in direct speech is past tense, it should be changed to past perfect. For example, was, were. If it is given, it should be changed to had. If it is main verb liked, past tense, it should be changed to had liked, past perfect. If it is did or did plus played, it should be had or had played. In case the tense in direct speech is past perfect, it should remain past perfect even in indirect speech. For example, had liked is given in direct speech. You should not change had liked in indirect speech. It should remain same. Suppose modal verb present tense is given in direct speech. It should be changed to modal verb past tense. Example, can should be changed to could, may, might, shall, should and will, would. We'll see the third important change of words. If the word this comes in direct speech, it should be changed to that in indirect speech. Similarly, these should be changed to those, so should be changed to thus, tomorrow, the next day or the day after or the following day, Yes should be changed to agreed. Ago should be changed to before. Tonight, that night, the next day, the following day in indirect speech. Similarly, here the word comes in direct speech should be changed to there in indirect speech. Now to then, today, that day, yesterday, the day before or the previous day. No in negative, hence, thence, hereafter, thereafter. The last week should be changed to the previous week in indirect speech. Thank you students for watching part 1 video direct indirect speech. Kindly join me in part 2 video where we can discuss the different types of sentences and how to change each type of sentences from direct to indirect speech. Thank you.